On Sunday, February 12, severe weather warnings have been issued for much of the North Island, with Cyclone Gabrielle set to reach the region. It has been downgraded to a Category 2 system, but forecasters warn it could still bring damaging winds and heavy rain. One resident said most of the properties on the island were not protected against severe hurricanes. Tens of thousands of sandbags have been distributed there due to concerns the sodden ground and weakened infrastructure have made homes more vulnerable to flooding. Last month its biggest city Auckland was hit by record rainfall that sparked floods and caused major damage. Air New Zealand said Saturday it was cancelling several North Island flights scheduled from Sunday to Tuesday, ahead of the expected arrival of bad weather. Rain has been falling overnight in Northland, Auckland, Waikato and Bay of Plenty. The wettest part of the country currently is Waitakere, West Auckland. Authorities says the amount of rain forecast for Coromandel Peninsula and northern Gisborne is expected to cause dangerous river conditions and significant flooding. Coromandel is under a red level heavy rain warning, with up to 400 mm expected on the ranges and up to 250 mm elsewhere. Auckland Transport is urging travelers to be extremely cautious. Residents in flood-prone areas have been told to prepare to evacuate. In addition, residents of Australia's Norfolk Island were cleaning up after Cyclone Gabrielle, headed to New Zealand, on Saturday battered the tiny external territory in the Pacific Ocean.